All right, we have a really nice power chair here. We have what's called a Quantum Edge Stretto, Quantum Edge 3 Stretto. This power chair was only used for a couple months at the most. It's literally brand new, folks. This power chair is a Stretto, but it also has a captain seat. What that means with this chair, the seat is a captain seat. You're always going to have a lever, and you can fold the seat down. And when you transport it in your van, minivan, this is going to be about 31 inches high right here, okay? Now, what makes this chair really nice is that it's 6 wheels on the ground. It's not overly large, but it's had suspension on each corner. So you have suspension in the back right here. You can see the back suspension working. You have the same suspension in front right here. Well, this is a bigger one in front. And you have the same big one on this side in front. So you have 4 of these shocks all the way around. This is what gives you such a good ride. This chair has such a good ride because of the quad suspension on it, okay? These are 14-inch. This is a mid-wheel drive. Mid-wheel means your drive wheels, your big wheels are going to be towards the middle of the chair. When you have a mid-wheel drive, you're always going to have a wheel on the ground in front that swivels, and a wheel in the back on the ground that swivels, okay? Because when you turn a circle, watch, the wheels will flip, and the chair will turn on its own link, just like that. See how this wheel's flipped, now one's flipped? And they flip the other way when you turn the other way. Okay, that's called a mid-wheel drive chair. This chair has a really good turning radius in the house. You have an anchor point here, another anchor point here. This is what you use to secure your chair if you're going to transport it, folks. There's 4 of these all around the chair, okay? You have a motor for each wheel. This motor, folks, is connected directly to the wheel. There's no chain, no belt, no noise, no mess. Directly to the wheel. Just an amazing technology these days. The seat on this chair, folks, is 16 by 18. Now, we can possibly put a larger cushion on here. This seat can be expanded out a little bit. Remember, the arms on this chair are 24.5 inches wide. So these arms on this chair cannot be modified because they're bolted to the seat, so they will stay at 24.5 inches. We can put a bigger cushion on here. If you want an 18-inch cushion, that's no problem here, instead of a 16-inch cushion. The foot plates do flip up like this when you exit the chair. And that's it, they do flip up. You do have a safety belt. The arms flip up, both of them. If you need to transfer the joystick to the left because you're left-handed, no problem. And right over here, folks, right here, if I tap it, we have headlights and tail lights. So you can see the tail lights right here and the headlights. So you do have headlights and tail lights. You have a pouch back here if you want to keep your manual back here. You have an adjustable headrest. And when you charge this chair, you'll take your charger. This may not be the one, but we're going to use this one for example. You plug it right here. And as soon as the light goes to green, the charger will turn off, okay? So these chargers know when the batteries are full, then they turn off. So this chair here has a weight capability of 300 pounds, but you probably wouldn't be comfortable at 300 pounds with this size seat. You know, we can put an 18-inch seat, but technically this is not for a 300-pound person. You know, probably someone 250 or less would feel very comfortable on this nice, really nice seat. So if you're looking for a real nice, well-built power chair, high-end power chair with suspension all the way around, solid tires all the way around, headlights, tail lights, joystick, adjustable headrest, safety belt. And this one here, folks, as I said, only has 46 hours. So it was only used 2 or 3 months. Ready to go. All right, this is the Quantum Edge 3 Stretto power chair. It was used for about 2 or 3 months at the most. Very easy to drive. Top speed is about 6.2 miles an hour, around 6 miles an hour. And when you stop, it brakes automatically because it has electromagnetic brakes in the motors. Even though it's still on, it won't go in because it's in gear. So if you're going downhill, uphill, it's not going to rush off on you. When you ride this chair, you can feel it's a high quality chair. I ride a lot of chairs, so I can tell by the suspension, the way it turns on the springs and everything. So it has no problem in the grass. As long as your grass has a good solid bottom, you should have no problem. This chair was only used for a few months, suspension all the way around, captain seat. The seat is 16 by 18. We can make it a little wider, 18 if we have to. Just a high quality power chair. If you just need a captain seat on a nice chair that's not too big, but you also want to have quality, this would be a good one. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.